The human brain, a labyrinth of intricate networks, has long captivated scientists and philosophers alike. For centuries, the enigma of consciousness, our ability to experience and perceive the world, has remained one of the most profound mysteries in science. However, a recent groundbreaking discovery has shed light on a specific brain region that appears to play a pivotal role in regulating conscious perception: the thalamus. The thalamus, often described as the brain's relay station, is a small, dual-lobed structure nestled deep within the brain. It acts as a sensory gateway, receiving information from our senses, sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell, and relaying it to the cerebral cortex, the brain's command center responsible for higher-level processing. While the thalamus has long been known for its role in sensory processing, its involvement in consciousness has been a subject of debate. Now, a groundbreaking experiment has provided compelling evidence, suggesting that the thalamus is not merely a passive relay, but an active orchestrator of conscious experience. The experiment, conducted by a team of neuroscientists at the University of California, Berkeley, involved monitoring the brain activity of epileptic patients undergoing surgery. These patients had electrodes implanted in their brains to pinpoint the source of their seizures, providing a unique opportunity to study brain activity with exceptional precision. During the experiment, participants were presented with a series of images while their brain activity was carefully monitored. The researchers found that when participants were consciously aware of seeing an image, neurons in a specific region of the thalamus, known as the lateral geniculate nucleus, fired in sync with neurons in the visual cortex, the part of the brain that processes visual information. However, when the images were flashed too briefly for the participants to consciously perceive them, the lateral geniculate nucleus neurons remained silent, even though the visual cortex still showed some activity. This finding suggests that the thalamus plays a crucial role in determining whether sensory information reaches conscious awareness. The researchers propose that the thalamus acts as a gatekeeper, filtering out irrelevant or overwhelming sensory input and allowing only the most salient information to reach conscious awareness. This gating mechanism, they believe, is essential for preventing sensory overload and ensuring that our conscious experience remains coherent and manageable. The implications of this discovery are profound. For decades, the prevailing view in neuroscience has been that consciousness arises from the complex interplay of activity across multiple brain regions, with no single area acting as a central command center. However, this new research suggests that the thalamus may be a key node in the neural network of consciousness, a critical hub that determines which sensory experiences we become aware of, and which remain outside our conscious perception. This paradigm shift has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of consciousness and its neural underpinnings. By identifying a specific brain region that appears to play a critical role in consciousness, this discovery opens up new avenues for research and potential therapeutic interventions. For example, understanding how the thalamus regulates conscious perception could lead to new treatments for disorders of consciousness, such as coma or vegetative states. It could also pave the way for developing technologies that enhance or manipulate consciousness, such as brain-computer interfaces that allow people with locked-in syndrome to communicate or control prosthetic limbs with their thoughts. While this discovery marks a significant leap forward in our understanding of consciousness, it also raises many new questions. For instance, researchers are still unsure how the thalamus determines which sensory information is important enough to reach conscious awareness. What are the criteria for salience and how are they encoded in thalamic circuits? Furthermore, it remains unclear whether the thalamus is the sole arbiter of consciousness or merely one component of a larger, more distributed network. Answering these questions will require further investigation and collaboration among neuroscientists, psychologists, and philosophers. The quest to unravel the mysteries of consciousness is a journey into the uncharted territories of the human mind. With each new discovery, we gain a deeper appreciation for the astonishing complexity of the brain and the enduring allure of one of science's greatest frontiers. As we continue to explore the inner cosmos of our own minds, we may one day unlock the secrets of consciousness, revealing the mechanisms that give rise to our subjective experience of the world and our very sense of self. If you enjoyed this journey into the mysteries of the mind, please like and subscribe for more fascinating explorations.